Welcome to the iPECS Cloud Management Portal.
This video will introduce the iPECS Cloud Portal and show you how to complete some common tasks for your extension. Before we get started, you will need your iPECS user ID and user password. These will have been provided to you during the setup phase. Please contact your system administrator if you are not sure of any of these details. Select User and enter your login details. The first screen you will see upon logging in is your My Home dashboard. This can be customized to display information such as call logs and statistics, as well as giving a summary of your company's service. The appearance of My Home can be customized by navigating to the My Home setting page using the sidebar menu. To populate the My Home screen, drag and drop items from the My Home menu on the right of the screen and click Save. The Favourites bar at the top of the screen can also be customised to include shortcuts to useful menu items. To customise the Favourites bar, click on the star icon at the top right of the screen. To add a feature, press a plus symbol and select the menu item you would like to add. To save your Favourites bar, click on the Save icon, or press the circular arrow to reset your choices. There are various menus to navigate on the left-hand side of the portal. Starting from the top, the Company section is used to show your company directory and a list of feature codes for your system. Both of these are maintained by your system administrator and automatically update on your phones every time a change is made. The Company directory lets you build a centralized directory of contacts to be shared among all phones and users. Feature codes let you trigger phone system operations by dialing a code from your handset to disable an active call forward from your handset. For example, you would dial #502 from your handset. Navigating to My Phone and Feature and then Call Forward will let you configure a call forward on your extension. Press Modify or double-click to change any of these settings you see here. The Call Forward type drop-down lets you set when you'd like calls to be forwarded, and the Call Forward service time lets you define at what times of the day you'd like the forward to be active. Your voicemail can also be configured through the iPECS Cloud Portal. Voicemail Schedule lets you set custom voicemail greetings to play at different times. For example, if you're out of the office at an all-day meeting, you might want to upload a custom voicemail greeting, letting your callers know you'll be back tomorrow. The voicemail setting page lets you configure general settings for your voicemail, like your access password and email notification settings. The Inbox section is where you will find copies of voice messages left on your voicemail and all your extension's call recordings. These can be filtered by date and the called or caller number. The Call History section allows you to look at calls in more detail. Your call logs can be filtered by date, time or duration. The My Information page lets you update the information stored on your extension. Here you can set your name, email address and password. Thank you for watching this brief introduction to the user portal of your iPECS cloud system. For more detailed information regarding the features highlighted, as well as additional system features, please view our other videos or speak to your communications provider.